Hey, welcome back to Pick a Card Game. I have a pretty fun game for you today, and it's called Golf Solitaire. Golf Solitaire is a fun game that can be played in under 5 minutes. So to set up the game, we start by dealing out the cards into 7 piles. You want to stack 5 cards in each stack. After that, you leave the remaining cards as your draw pile. Flip over the top one and you're ready to play. The goal of this game is to get rid of all the cards in your play area. The way to do that is first you look at your draw card. You can now remove any card that is plus or minus 1 to it from the play area and add it to your play pile. So I have an 8 here, and it can only match with a 9 or a 7, but both cards are covered up, so I need to move on. Okay, so next we have a 9 here, and this can match with both the 8 and the 10. Which one I choose is all based on strategy. Because I want to make combos and reveal cards behind them, so I'm going to go with the 10, because now I can grab it and I can grab the jack as a combo. So next we have a king, and kings are fun because aces are both high and low here. So an ace goes after the king, and also before it too. It creates a nice little loop, a nice little endless loop of all the numbers. Now I have a 5 here. I could choose the 4, but it's better to go with the 6, because I can get a nice little combo right here. You can go both up and down with the counting, so I'm going to grab this 7 and then the 6 right below it. And that's pretty much all the rules to the game. It's one of the faster solo card games, and it can be played in around 5 minutes. It's a great way to just chill out, maybe have some TV on in the background, or maybe don't. It's nice to get away from the screens. Now, I'm watching myself play from the editing bay, and I'm noticing I'm making a lot of mistakes in this game. For some reason, I keep skipping over the 10 of hearts. So one of the reasons why I like to play with real cards instead of on the computer is that there's no hint button, so every mistake is your mistake to make. I also have this card game curse. Every time I play without the camera rolling, I'm able to win no problem. But as soon as I turn them on, I just freeze up and I just make mistakes and lose. I ended up losing a lot of times today, and I think it was just my card curse. I won twice as practice rounds, then I turn on the cameras and I keep losing over and over. I lost over and over for 55 minutes. I'll just speed that up for you right now. I think it's pretty fun to watch myself play this fast. I feel like this is how Superman plays cards. Yeah, I'm just making mistake after mistake. I'm just getting the camera jitters. That's just what it is. It's nerve-wracking, but it's okay, everything's okay. This is one of my early videos, and I'm gonna get better as I go. And I want to keep making them, so if you want to help out, you can like and subscribe, and I'm just gonna keep playing cards. And you can keep watching me play cards, and you can learn to play yourself. So now I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I really need a win. So maybe I'm gonna add these jokers to the deck. Jokers, they're great for solo card games because they're just wild cards. They really help you when you're stuck. You can just use them. Nobody's watching. Nobody cares if you use a joker. So after playing after an hour straight, I start off this game with a killer combo. In the first move, I'm just knocking everything out. I'm just going up and down, going from king all the way down to 5. If you like relaxing with me and just playing card games, feel free to like and subscribe. It helps my channel, and also you'll just get more chill times with me where we can just play more cards. We can learn more card games and just enjoy ourselves. It's good to take things slow. Except when I speed up the tape, but otherwise, slow. When picking which card to use, it's good to pick cards that are on the more populated columns, because you want to get as many cards revealed as possible. Also, I just want to unbury this joker. Now that I have this joker out, I don't want to waste it. I want to use it when the most opportune moment is, so I can build another long combo. Oh, joker. Okay, how should I use it? Maybe if I make the joker be a 2, I could go ace, and then grab this joker as a king, queen, and a jack. There we go. Okay, wow, I just barely won. And that's with the jokers. So beforehand I was actually winning a lot. Just on camera. I don't know what it is. It's the camera curse. This game is very winnable, and it's a very good feeling when you win. So keep playing and enjoy. Thanks for watching Pick a Card Game, and I'll see you next time with more card games.